Now, Power Query actually has a language that sits behind it, and the language is called M. And you may have noticed me pointing it out a couple of times, but if I go to, say, sales 2019 to 2021, and I can see all these steps, all these things that we've done to this data to get it into the shape that it currently has. And if I want to view this, what I've done in terms of the language, the M language, then on the View tab, you can actually ask it to take you into the Advanced Editor. And the Advanced Editor is the code. So here you can see, for example, when we've promoted the headers, when we've changed types, we've renamed columns, we've replaced values, we've trimmed text, and so on. So there is a rather strong language that sits behind everything that you do, that I just want you to appreciate. And if you go to level 2, we'll start looking at this language in more detail. So I'm just going to go cancel. Now, the other thing is, as time progresses, the data may change that you've got connections to, and you really need to do a refresh. And you'll find that even as a couple of days passes, you'll start to get a yellow message coming up saying that you should refresh the data because 2 days have passed or 3 days have passed. If you're ever asked to refresh the data, or you want to make sure that it's all current, on the Home tab is a refresh preview button, and you can just click that and it just refreshes it. But if you've got a lot of queries as we have, you could refresh all of them just by choosing the drop down and choosing the refresh all option. So be aware of that as well.